Traders often get trapped, not because the market is unpredictable, but because they do not understand the rhythm behind price movements. The Elliott wave theory explains that most strong crypto trends move in 5 impulsive waves upward, followed by a 3-step correction to the downside. Waves 1, 3, and 5 are called impulsive waves. They move with the trend. Waves 2 and 4 are corrective waves, where price pulls back. Wave 1 usually starts when experienced traders and whales quietly buy. Wave 2 corrects sharply, shaking out weak hands who think the move was fake. Wave 3 is normally the strongest and longest. This is where confidence spreads and many traders join the rally. Allow me to give you a real-life example. During Bitcoin's 2021 rally, Wave 3 started to push prices higher but failed to fully complete because of the market crisis. Now back to Wave 4, which corrects again, but unlike Wave 2, it is often longer and more confusing rather than sharp and fast. Wave 5 is driven by hype and euphoria. Beginners rush in late, believing the trend will never end. Then comes the ABC correction. Wave I drops, Wave B gives false hope, and Wave C completes the reset before a new cycle begins. What I am showing here is the basic foundation of Elliott wave theory. This pattern repeats across every market cycle. Once you understand this core idea, you can better judge whether a trend is just starting, in full momentum, or already burning out. As you can see here, the complete Elliott wave system includes advanced rules and variations, with waves forming inside larger waves. I will dive deeper into this in one of my next videos, so make sure you follow me on YouTube. Now tell me, in which Elliott wave are we at the moment? Comment your answer below, and I will get back to you. Subscribe right now and hit the notification bell, because I post 2 tutorials like this every week. And follow me on X for daily free crypto news updates. Thanks for watching and stay tuned, because in my next tutorial, I will share more ways to master crypto trading like a pro.